Hey guys, happy Sunday. Today is January 19th. And as y'all know, I was on live last night and we saw that TikTok got shut down around 10:30ish last night, right? But it was supposed to go out, be banned today. Today is Sunday the 19th, not last night, but it started last night. So all night last night, everybody was, just talking about it, expressing their feelings. Um, I was in disgust because I found out more things about why it could have potentially happened, having things to do with Meta. But we won't go there in this vlog. However, I was on Favorited earlier today, trying to grow my following over there so I could go live over there. Since TikTok was down. However, the people on Favorited started to tell us that the daggone TikTok was back up. So I go over there to look and I could see my page, I could see the feed, but I was nervous. Like I was nervous to post anything because I'm like, what if this is just a glitch? It's really off. We're not supposed to be posting out there. I don't want to get my account banned. So like if they do put it back on, then I won't have access to it. Like I didn't know what was going to be what. Then, child, I ended up logging in and getting the welcome back sign. It was on and popping at that point. However, I feel like well, I heard that live still isn't working on this. So I've still been on Favorite. If you haven't followed me on Favorite yet, I'm gonna put my information right here, but it's the same name. I am Allison Alanna. I have gotten my amount of followers I need to go live. First it was 24 followers when I first joined. And now it's 100, so I'm a little bit over 100 followers. So I'm gonna be going live over there from time to time, just in case something goes wrong with TikTok again, or it gets banned permanently or whatever. I don't have to be building from scratch. So if you haven't already downloaded the app, go ahead and download the Favorited app, join that app, and then follow me and follow some other people so you can grow your page. That way, if you was getting income on TikTok, you won't lose anything if they do go out, like they claiming it's gonna be like a 90-day extension or whatever. So just kind of be like proactive, have your page already ready on other platforms so you can start going live over there, getting gifted over there, and having your income and not being like left without because of changes in the apps and who want to be fighting and being in a tech war with each other and all this other stuff. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm excited that it's back on there. I'm gonna post some TikToks later on today. And I'm just excited that it's not gone yet. I saw somebody say that America is well known for having a savior. And basically it's like before the inauguration, they want to make Trump look like, he's saving everything and making everything better, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what's the point of all these stunts, because remember on the live last night, I was like, well, they did say that it was like some kind of stunt, that this really wasn't, happening for real. That this was like some kind of stunt they was doing because Biden was leaving or whatever the case may have been. But it's looking kind of stunty-ish. Okay? So yeah, I just want to come on, start the vlog for today. And yeah, TikTok is bizarre. Okay, so we just ended a live. I went on there for about like 35, 40 minutes or so. Just talking about the whole TikTok ban, possible stunt thing, and just kind of vibing, saying how y'all Sunday going, stuff like that. So if you haven't caught that live, check it out. I think it was titled Hey Babe, so you can go check that out if you would like to. But yeah, I'm about to find me something to eat. I'm hungry, it's getting kind of late. So it'll be time to unwind. My alarm just went off for me to wash my face and take my vitamins. I love my little beauty alarm. At first it wasn't like effective, but now I feel like I'm getting somewhere with it. Like I feel like it's helpful, because even if I don't wash my face right away, I definitely go take my vitamins, which is key. So soon it'll be like clockwork, bam. So there's a go, I'm gonna be washing my face and taking my vitamins, and it'll be worth it because I'm gonna be looking cuter and cuter. Okay, y'all, so we just had dinner. I'm about to load up the good old dishwasher. Okay, so for dinner we had pasta. As you can see, my face is overflowing like crap. We're gonna put this in there.
All it took was your look. I gotta know about the touch. There's something sharp about your words, baby, that always leaves me cut. And it's crazy, cause it would be like my kryptonite came to save me. Can't seem to shake, we both end up in the same place. Said I won't string you on, can't seem to cut you off, cause you stay stuck on me. Yeah, yeah, you got a hold on me. In my mind roaming, I ain't focused, going in and out with so much style. But I know you got a hold on me. Got a hold on me. Yeah, if you're banking on my love, I gotta pay you with my heart. Ain't no acting, cause you know I play my role, babe. I just gotta know my part. And it's crazy, and I gotta get away, cause it's hard for me. Don't wanna be stuck in the middle of your fantasy. I said I won't string you on, can't seem to cut you off, cause you stay stuck on me. Yeah, yeah, you got a hold on me. In my mind roaming, I ain't focused, going in and out with so much style. But I know you got a hold on me. Got a hold on me. Yeah. Got a hold on me.
Okay, so my phone actually just cut off, so I couldn't show y'all from start to finish of me doing my cleaning routine in the kitchen. But y'all get the point. Y'all have seen me clean 1,000 times before. So yeah, now I'm wrapping this night up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see y'all in the next vlog.